Ideal replacement. This license plate light lens matches the original part on specified vehicle years, makes and models. Durable construction, made of quality materials to provide proper illumination and seal out contaminants. Cost-effective solution, offers original equipment quality at competitive price. Quality tested, this part has undergone try-on testing to ensure a quality fit. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Dorman has quality products that fit like OEM. I bought these license plate light holders to replace the original ones on my 2001 Excursion. They fit excellent and were simple to install with no instructions. See below for pros and cons. Cons. I don't really have anything to say bad about this set other than that while installing them after putting the bulbs in is that I did have to apply quite a bit of pressure to push it through so the tabs would click in place, and I was a little worried I might snap the tabs, but they popped in and look great. Pros. Packaging and shipping was quick and handled well. The lens for the bulb is nice and clear, not like others I seen that seemed a little matte and would affect the lighting going through. The installation process was simple and they fit just like from the factory with no modifications needed.